Hey everyone, welcome back to another iPhone tip on my YouTube channel. This time I wanted to show you guys how to fix this issue because many iPhone users reported that iPhone makes loud beep sound when call ends in iOS 16.5.1c. So guys, I will show you how to fix this issue. That whenever a phone call ends, they get 3 beep sounds that play through their iPhone speaker. So here I am going to show you guys how to fix this issue. So the first fix is just go to settings, just tap on it, and now just try to find sounds and haptics. So here you can see, just tap on it. Now you just come down and you can see play haptics in silent mode. It's already turned on. Just go and turn off. Now you can go and try. If still this issue not fixed, then just try for second fix. So second fix is, guys, just go and restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, just click simultaneously right side button and volume up simultaneously, and now you can see, just go, just slide to power off, guys. Once your iPhone is turned on, just go for third solution. So third solution is, guys, just go to settings and just tap on general and just go for software update. So guys, in your case, if you have any update, just go for download and install it. In my case, it's already being updated. Just go and check if this issue is fixed or not. So guys, thanks for today. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it.